So today I'm going to be showing you some ways to make money online. Now, these ways, I've tried them all and they all actually make money, and you can withdraw it and you can make a full-time income with some of these as well. So the first one, to make about an extra £20–30 a week, be called Click Worker. So you can sign up here and you get a few tasks on here, and you can also go on here on UHRS, which you get a lot more tasks to do, but you need to complete a test first just so they can check your English. But once that's done, you can do a lot more tasks, and there's always stuff on here, so you can make like £10–20 a day just from an hour or two of work. And here I've got some balance already, and I've withdrawn from them before, so it's all legit and it works really well if you want to make, a couple extra pounds. Okay, so the next one I want to talk about is freelancing. So the site I use for freelancing is called Upwork, and on here you can do loads of different freelancing jobs. I do web development myself, so my jobs here are web development, but you can find anything. If you wanted to do voiceover, you can just type that in, and on here there's loads of voiceover artists, is the hourly rates, budgets, things like that. You can really make an income on here. If I go onto my profile, you can see how much money I've earned, total hours, things like that. I haven't really done much work on here in a while, but it definitely works, and I found quite a few of my good clients from here. So it's definitely a great place to start doing just a bit of on the side freelancing, or if you want to start being a freelancer full time, I would definitely recommend it. Alright, and then another way I would suggest is to do user testing. So on here you just do short surveys, and they only take a few minutes, and you can do it on your computer or on your phone, and you get between $4 to $10. Almost of them, I had one for 20 the other day, which was pretty good. And I've taken it out from here before. Payment's quite quick, get it all done, and yeah, you just do little quizzes and things like that. It's very easy to make money on here. You can make yourself a nice $20 to $30 a week, or like £25 a week, which is always good. And then I'd say another way to make money online is by reselling things. So what I sometimes do is go on Facebook Marketplace, find things that are listed as cheap or free, and then take it home, clean it up, and resell it. Sometimes I put it back on Marketplace, or sometimes I list them on eBay. And this way I make, sometimes I make an extra £10–20 on items. It's usually things like game consoles or games that people usually tend to buy or give away for a cheaper price on Facebook Marketplace. Or I go into charity shops, and you can sometimes find designer things like clothes or shoes, and then you can resell them on things like eBay, or put them up on Marketplace or Gumtree, and you make yourself some extra cash. So yeah, those have been some extra ways to make money online. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them.